enough talking. Let's get this head up to Van Alstyne's so they can fix it and we can get it back. I don't know when. Hopefully, probably not today, but hopefully tomorrow. And then we can start. I don't know. I'm gonna order that because now I know which one it is. I'm gonna order this timing chain guide right now. Actually. Oh, really? That's all they have? What the fuck? This is absolutely fucking crazy. Like, what the fuck? Oh, this is it right here. Oh my god, it could be a whole month. Okay, so I thought I was going to order it right now on camera, which would, but that's not going to happen. So I will find it and order it because I didn't know it was going to be that pain. Like, what the fuck? I wasn't expecting it to be expensive, especially if these things are common to breaking. But, so that sucks because it has to wrap around. That sucks. Anyways, so yeah, let's go get that up there, and then we'll come back here and we'll scrub that block down, try to get it really nice and clean, get all this gasket material, clean the top of these pistons, get a nice mating surface, and then, see, that's what's annoying, is I want to get this fucking engine back together now, because like I said, I plan on buying the fucking turbo manifold next week, and I don't want to get too far ahead where I just have so much parts laying around, and then I start getting careless because I want everything put together, and I'm trying to do this right, but, fuck. This right here, I have to figure out what we're going to do, because this is actually the, Vanos oil supply line that is going to, we're going to splice into, and we're going to feed the turbo with. So I gotta do some research on that too. If anybody knows like what I can do with that, please put it in the comments below, or hit me up on Instagram. I will put the Instagram like right here. But yeah. Alright guys, so I dropped the head off. They're gonna go through. I got a separate computer system that's gonna tell me like what they could take off, what they can't, so hopefully they can take off enough to fix it. If not, we're fucking sending it anyways, so I'm not buying a new head. And yeah, so I made a Facebook post, I'm on this BMW group thing, so I made this Facebook post asking for a timing chain guide, because I legitimately can't find one. I don't want to buy a whole kit. I mean, I know I gotta take all that shit off anyways, but fuck's sake, for an accident, on a piece of plastic I broke, I really don't want to buy like a whole new fucking thing. That's like $160. It's not bad, but it's just a point. I mean, this shit keeps adding up. But I knew this was gonna be an expensive build, but fuck, I don't know. Done bitching. All right, so now I am heading back to the shop so we can start focusing on cleaning up that block, and then we'll probably end the video there. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be, but I don't know. I just kind of like taking you guys around. This is my small ass, really, really, really fucking boring town of Sandusky, Michigan. Look it up on the map, you won't even see it. I'm just kidding, you will, but I don't know. I'll see you guys. Alright guys, good news. I found a timing chain guide. I made a post on Facebook, and the first one, somebody told me about this European auto parts store, but they have a fucking location and stuff like that, but I can't stop in there and grab it. They want to ship it, so I mean that defeats the purpose. I didn't really want to wait. And this other guy commented, all I gotta do is bring him a pizza, and he'll just hand it to me. So I'm gonna go buy him a pizza, and I'll make sure to add this in the video, because I mean, I never paid with food before. What is going on, guys? It is noon the next day. I just woke up. So I'm heading up there to pick up my cylinder head, not because it's done, but because I have to pull the cams out, because I should have known, but the valves are open. I don't know. The valves are open, and they can't, you know, resurface it with the valves open, because it'll hit. So yeah, so I'm coming up there to pick up those right now. So I'm gonna go back to the shop. I got my new tripod. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that. Here's another my Instagram shout out, yeah. But so yeah, so I'm going to pick up the cylinder head right now. I'm going to go pick up stuff for dinner, which I won't show you that. But then we're heading right to the shop and start pulling that off. That way we can take it back up there. Alright guys, so since we have to pull the cams off, essentially what you want to do, because these cams are hollow and they crack, you want to get cylinder 2 and cylinder 4 just barely onto the rollers. That way you can take off the end caps, cylinder 1, cylinder 3, 5, and 6. You can take those off, and then you can do quarter turns on 2 and 4. That way you distribute the pressure evenly. So we will turn cams accordingly. So let's see. Get some gloves on. Alright, then you just crack these open. It's easier with a ratchet. There you go. Then you just do literally quarter turns. Alright guys, so we're gonna make that the end of this video. I'm not gonna clean the engine block on this video because I think this has been long enough. Here's my new tripod I got. But so obviously you want to keep all these together, these caps together, these caps together, put them in plastic bags or whatever you have to do. I left the bolts, the nuts on the actual studs to protect threads, I guess. I don't really know, but anyways, this is going back to the machine shop. These right here are going to be going inside my house. I didn't want them in the storage unit because it gets damp and I don't want things to start rusting. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Smash that like button. Like I've said plenty of times before, every like helps me. Helps get my videos out there more and stuff like that. So out of 50 views, I expect to see at least half of those in likes. Please, come on. I've been getting like 2 or 3 likes a video, and one of them's been for me. But yeah, there we have it. Cams and everything are out, which I was hoping to avoid, but now there we go. Every single valve is closed. Every single valve is closed. Now we can get it machined and everything. Hopefully we'll start working out from that, and then after that we can start putting this engine back together. I need a timing chain guide. It's already sourced one, like I said in the video. A couple other little things, and then yeah, hopefully next week we can find the turbo manifold. Start getting this shit on the fucking roll.